Welcome to ASSURiot, your high-value asset monitoring system. When you first unbox your ASSURiot device, it needs to be placed on the charger for 2.5 hours to receive an optimal initial charge. You must center the charging icon under the ASSURiot logo to the center of the charger. Adjust your device placement until the device is centered on the charger and the indicator light turns solid. Your device is rechargeable, assuring your assets stay monitored for up to 4 years. If you place mounting hardware on the back of your device, you will likely have to remove it to wirelessly charge. To recharge your device, simply remove it from your asset and place it on the wireless charger. Once you're finished charging, additional cleaning wipes, hook and loop, and command strips are included for your convenience. Simply reinstall and reattach to your asset. If at any time you should need additional mounting hardware, please contact customer support for replacement.